Good morning, everybody. It's a beautiful foggy day around the railroad, and we are off to do maintenance in the way stuff. I didn't get any video of what we were doing the day before. We went out and changed a bunch of ties in the area of the railroad that we call the tree farm. And today we're going to go out and do a lot of tamping, rock spreading, and regulating. So the first machine I'm going to get fired up here, I'm going to get the tamper fired up. He's going to fire up the speeder, which we are going to need. And then we're going to go out with those for a majority of the day. He's going to do a lot of cleaning. And then I'm going to do a lot of tamping. And then we'll come back and get this puppy, and we'll go out and do a bunch of regulating. What? No freaking way. Oh, you gotta be kidding. It's gonna be one of them days, isn't it? Yeah, it's gonna be one of them days. The shit we put up with on this railroad. Say hi to our people, Chris.
Hi, people.
Alrighty, well, I guess I'll walk over here and grab the dyno diesel and the frickin' jumper cables and see what we can do. Fumigator. Yeah, dyno diesel. I think what we'll do, I'm going to start down at that end of the tree farm and start making my way this way. No, nothing. Something's telling me my plan for the day is not going to go the way I planned. Plans are subject to change depending upon the part of the plan not planned upon, and I think our little battery disconnect switch down there shit the bed. I can't reach it real good. Fiddle fart around with that switch right there and tell me that's the problem. Come on, baby, start, you bastard. farm. You see, we cleared this area here out. Get the vegetation away from the tracks. Changed about 12 ties up through right up there. And we got a pretty good sized pile of rock here we're gonna deposit through this stretch. What I gotta do with the tamper, I gotta go clear the heck down there about a half of a mile and start. I'll work my way this way. We're gonna tamp all the joint ties, and about every third tie or so to get the, well, there's a thing I do when I tamp. It's hard to explain. Basically, if I see a tie jiggle, I tamp it. If that makes any sense. So, enjoy a tamping montage. Okay, so this is the next area that we really have to do some focusing on and really get some work done in here. We got a lot of ties. You can see one right there, that's bad. One up over there, that's bad. I think last time I came down through here and looked it over, I got about 100 to 200 ties down this stretch. The bridge is right back there. But between the bridge and right up around the corner there where Brian quit working on it in 2019, there's probably, God, rough estimate's gonna be about 200 ties that have to go down in through here. And then when that's done, yeah, I'll bring the regulator in and cut the shoulders back and get, because one of the problems is we got mud and dirt right up at the edge of the ties. I cut the shoulders back and then come down through here from the bridge all the way up to that curve and flood it with ballast, tamp it, get it up, get that get the cribs all cleaned out, and then establish the shoulder. This up through here will be class 2. One of Beth and mine's goals is to have the railroad between Mineral and LB class 2 the entire way. It doesn't mean that we'll ever run 25-30 miles an hour on it, but at least the railroad will be in really good shape. And then the next big project after the railroad's in that kind of shape, we got to come through here and take all the trees down on both sides, open the right-of-way up. Over here, because of the creek, we got to lay rock along the shoulder to protect it and armor it. But then we got all these broadleaf trees. As you see, they just rain leaves down on the railroad and foul the ballast, because what do leaves do? They decompose. And when you get close to 54 inches of rain in a year, guess what? You get a lot of dirt on your railroad. The railroad just continuously goes to crap, because it's, it's built through a swamp for the most part. The 3 miles between LB and Park Junction are the worst for that. But so that's what our goals are. Hopefully we can get to doing this spring, because I think it's going to take close to, I'd imagine doing it the way we were doing it before is, and I liked that way versus just the spots, is what we'll do is we'll come through and we'll do the ties, and then we'll bring the speeder down with the ballast cart. And that ballast cart holds about 8 tons of rock, but that 8 tons, we could spread it for close to 100 feet. So what we'll do is we'll come in like we did before, and we'll flood the center of the tracks down through, and we'll open the side gates to get a little rock on the outsides, and then come through, tamp it, and then come down through with the regulator and plow all the rock out of the center off onto the shoulders and be done. So if we had the track materials, we had the ties and the rock, we could get all 200 of these ties changed in a week. We could have this stretch done in a week, no problem. No problem at all. So anyway, that's that. Like, comment, and subscribe.